Today I'm gonna make Korean army stew, and it will be vegan because I'm vegan. Well, so we're gonna make the sauce first and leave it for a while. So chili powder and garlic, soy sauce. We call it as 양념장. 양념 means sauce, and 장 means paste. 고추장. Honestly, this combination can work for many other Korean dishes, I guess. Not just stew. Say hello to this water parsley. In Korean, it's budae. This is onion, obviously. And you can use a half of onion. The mushrooms can be like a little bit less than a cup. Vegan spam and tofu pouch or tofu pocket. This is kimchi. You can use like a half a cup of kimchi. This is vegan kimchi as well. Well fermented will be nice. And this is rice cake. I'm gonna use 8 pieces. Veggie broth. You can use water instead of veggie. Did I mention water parsley? Yeah, right. And this is vegan ramen. Can you see vegan mark here? Yeah. I'm gonna just use half of noodles. This is vegan mandu, vegan dumplings. Yeah. I'm gonna write down the recipe and the ingredients, but I just added fistful of bean sprout. I don't know how people can keep their kitchen clean and neat while they are cooking. Yeah, it's done. This process is needed because it'll give the stew extra nice, heavier texture or flavor. Sauce that I made in the beginning. Kimchi. Tofu pot. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna taste it. Yeah, it's so nice. Some places use crown daisy for army stew. I'm not sure anymore. And I don't have crown daisy at home, so I just use water parsley.